Hey guys, today we are making Dahi Vada with air-fried Vadas. Here I have 1 cup of Vada Batter. I have already uploaded the Vada recipe earlier, so I'll give the link for that video below. I have 1 cup of buttermilk, 1/4 cup of yogurt, about 2 tablespoons of sliced onions, 1 small green chili, half a teaspoon of minced ginger, 1/4 teaspoon of mustard seeds, a pinch of turmeric, salt and oil. I'm going to add a tablespoon of oil into the vada batter because I feel the air fryer absorbs all the moisture, so the oil helps to keep the vada soft. I preheated the air fryer for 5 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Now I'm going to spray some oil on the bottom of the air fryer basket and place about a tablespoon of the vada batter in the basket. And I'll fry these for 5 minutes. While the vadas are getting done, I'm going to add the yogurt with the buttermilk and the turmeric powder along with some salt. And mix them well. We need to season this yogurt and buttermilk mixture. So I have heated a tablespoon of oil here. I'm going to add the mustard seeds. And when they splutter, I'm going to add the rest of these ingredients. I'll fry this until the onions are lightly browned. Onions are done, so I'm going to add it into the yogurt. Air fried vadas are done, and I'm going to soak these in hot water for 3 to 5 minutes until they are softened. Alright guys, our vadas have soaked for 5 minutes, so I'm going to just squeeze out some water from them and drop them into the buttermilk. I'll refrigerate these vadas for a few hours so that they soak well into the buttermilk. Here you go guys, our air fried Dahi Vada is ready to be served. If you like this recipe, give us a thumbs up and thanks for watching.